Hello, I'm Sanjay. It's Agasukal. These two pictures are circulating right now on social media. So I'm going to read the captions from two different blogs. Polokwane musician Letlhogonolo Chauke, relatively known as Shebeshet, has been arrested by police in Bendo, Polokwane in connection with attempted murder case. The arrest follows a road rage incident 2 weeks ago in which he allegedly shot and wounded a motorist during an altercation. SABC News has reliably learned that musician Shebeshet, real name Letlhogonolo Katlego Chauke, has been arrested this morning. He was arrested at his home in Bendo. The rapper has been charged with attempted murder case following an alleged road rage incident in October. Story developing. So people on social media are saying, no, but the guy followed him to a garage petrol station and that's where he took out his firearm. He was protecting himself, as alleged by the reports on the media. Philadi a re owe o shapa a dule toronkong shebe dilo tše a di dirang kgolo no di a tena gore ebile a seke a kwela gore ebile a seke ba mo kwela bohloko. Mzansi wa tsare keng ne? I don't want to talk too much about the case because at this point we have no details. But what I've noticed, do you see this car? It's branded Ramusi Attorneys. This is the very same van that Shebeshet pulled up Polokwane the time he had that stage prank yena le Tsaka. So it was a prank. It's content. They are trying to promote this thing a boxing match. Because, you know, one thing that did not make sense to me at that time, it was why Shebeshet as a driver kolagaga at leka van. The timing. A lot of comments, people are saying he's out on bail, so he's not arrested as we speak, but nobody has proof. But on social media.
Guys, the difference between these two, the other one is storyteller, entertainment, and then Wababo says staging a perform. The other one, when you come to understand the hip hop, and stuff. Guys, lyrical content, they are man.
Isn't behind the scene fella. Like I'm BTS. Easy.
No matter who you know, you move.
Nsara magotla organization lena la ka ke conversation la dula ka na di occupation je dimpe ba rena accusation le phela le nyaka di explanation me and
I don't know what for. Before I break the law, very key before I break the door. You will see you make it the floor. I can give a man bless you door. The OG I can give you more. And I'm going to get so in for. What I mean, what I'm going to make a let us look at the rail a bit of the block. Oh, that is today like it's some stuff. Oh, they got a rail like 25. Oh, like I'm a jail. Oh, he man, the city is boss. Oh, no one. He didn't manage to say it's boss. And I got some boss. I'm going to get like lost. Try going on.